Hey traders, doing some homework after hours on Friday. Turned out to be a pretty good day for us who were actively trading today. But anyway, this video has nothing to do with stocks or the markets. It has to do with crypto. And months ago, I shared a couple of videos about my strategy, and my strategy is working perfectly so far, and I owe you an update. It also would help you trade crypto for the next couple of months, maybe even 6 months, and will maybe also help you into starting to think about crypto. So I'm going to start there. First of all, shake your head out of all the information you've heard, all the super fans, all the super haters. I'm neither. I'm a pragmatic guy who's trading a chart, and I haven't lost money in crypto yet. I made one mistake, but it was an operational mistake. I didn't know about fees involved into doing something, and it's like a $300 mistake. Actually, it's $150 now that Ethereum was corrected. So, but the trading has been solid, and I'm not foolproof, but I'll share my method. So my method then was very specific, and today's video is an update on that. So you're looking at Bitcoin. All the decisions I'm making with any crypto I'm doing, whatever coin I'm using Bitcoin as the gauge because it's the chief coin in charge, and it will move. They all move in sync. So if Bitcoin rallies, the rest are going to rally, and vice versa. There might be some that move faster or slower at certain points, but they all move the same way. So first things first, get out of your head that it's fake. It doesn't matter. It's actually there. It's not going away. And it has value because people want it, period. The easiest I use gold usually, but then I get this pushback on gold because there are some gold, what, no way, sacrilege. I'm going to use something else. So if the Mona Lisa, first of all, it is fake. A person created it. It didn't exist in real life. Like they say, gold is, you can find. The Mona Lisa was drawn. It's beautiful. People love it. It has, like the original one, I don't know how much is it, 500 million? I have no idea. But they sell reprints, right? They sell prints of the Mona Lisa. All of them are fake. They're reproductions, but they have value, thousands of dollars. The higher the quality of their reprint, whatever they call them, prints, people pay for it. Why? Because people want it. So does it matter that it's fake and a replica, not the original? It doesn't matter. It exists. People made it. People want it. People will pay for it. It holds value. Same here. It doesn't matter why. It actually serves a purpose. It is moving forward the financial transaction speed and efficiency in the world. Financial tech, fintech, is a real thing. Getting much better. It started with Visa and MasterCard. Swipe from paper to electronic to digital to swipe to tap to whatever. Well, whatever they're doing for this stuff is making everything move forward. So get over that hang up. All right, on to trading. So my plan back then was crypto was up here. Bitcoin was up here somewhere. I said they're playing with fire, hovering above 44, 42,000. If they lose it, I thought they would go much, much further, like down to 20,000, but in a couple of different steps. And my plan was very specific. I said if they lost the neckline, and they did, and it looks like the neckline is right there now, 46,000, give or take, that will start the process. And I said plan was to average into a full-size position. Big difference than averaging down. What's the difference? You average down by, you take a position, all of it, and then it goes against you, and then you decide to double your problem by adding. No. Whatever position I decided, if I decided to invest 1,000 in this thing, I only took 300. I'm making up numbers. So averaging in is saying, okay, I want to build a full-size position, but I'm only starting with 1/3. Okay, so what I said, I will start at 33. And it went down almost to exactly 33 and bounced. And guess what I did? At exactly 33-ish, I was on my couch. Here's my phone in my hand. Like, oh, okay, we're there. I got the alert. Boop. I bought my coins. What did I buy? Solana, Ethereum, and CRO. Those are my chosen coins. They're valid coins. They perform a service. So we got the bounce. I got 34 to 40% wins. I didn't book them like I said I wouldn't. My plan was to get to a 100% position, and I expected lower prices. Look, they failed at the neckline. Remember that number, 46. They failed. Boom. They survived this. one knock. They failed again. Boom. Now, what's happening? Technically, the bears won a fight, but not a whole battle. The battle is to bring it down to 19. Why? That's where it broke out from years ago. So this is the neckline. That's the battle zone. The bears lost battle 1. My plan was to start position 1, right? And now they're consolidating below it, trying to fight over, trying to get back above this. Okay? They can do it. And if they do, great, I'm already long. If they don't, I think they're going to knock one day here and lose it. So now the next decision is what happens here or here. If the bears knock it and lose it, they're going to repeat this exact same process here. They're going to go back and forth trying to recover it. And so there goes my second plan. My second step is to add more, somewhere around 28. I haven't decided exactly where, 28, 27, 26, depends on how it unfolds. I will add a second batch. And then when they repeat the same process here, if they can't recover, if this comes first, they'll go to my ultimate goal, which is 22 to 19. That's where I'll put my third batch. So that's my plan. 1, 2, 3. I put 1 in. But Nick, what if it does this and it takes off? Great, I'm already long. And what if it comes to here? I do what I said I would. I will add. And then I'd be long more. And then what if it comes down to here? I will add the third batch. And what if it crashes to 4,000? I will add a hell of a lot more than 3. I will alter my plan, and I'll show you why. Okay, so you got the plan? So now I'm looking to see who wins, here or here. That's it. That's 33 or 46. 33 or 46. Round numbers, okay? Now, let me walk you through why these numbers. This is a weekly chart of Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Why crypto? They have outperformed anything by a mile. Anything, stocks, bonds, whatever you want. Nothing comes close to the performance. Why would you put yourself blind to the best performing asset class out there? Whether you believe in it or not, join the party. It's a trade. You don't have to put your entire nest egg. Start somewhere, learn about it. You may be forced to using it in the future. 2017, Bitcoin spikes to 19,000 right here. Out of the blue. Everybody lost their mind, and then it went crashing. Everybody called it dead and made fun of it like you wouldn't believe. Can you imagine buying it at 3,500, 3,700, 3,400, whatever low it was? I think it went into twos, 2,900. Can you imagine? Went up to 68,000. Can you imagine being that person? I didn't see it. I hope it happens again. I really do, because I will just dump a crap ton of money into it. Anyway, they came back to 16 or 15 or whatever, and they failed. Went back down to 4,000. They went back to the mega breakout of 2020. Now, they took that out and took 19 and never revisited it. So they need to come back and revisit the neckline. That's what they like to do. Who's they? Charts. What are you talking about? Hey, charts, whether you like them or not, they are bulletproof. Why? Because it's actual data, and machines follow data, and machines are doing all of the trading these days. So not looking at charts is really putting yourself blind to the one thing that's driving the biggest traders out there, machines. So these are our two lines, 33,000, 46,000. Which one fails first? This one, off to the races, or this one, down to my number? Simple as that. The plan has not changed. The plan has not changed. So I will redraw this stuff I just drew. Same thing. 46, you have to recover it. Will they do this first? Or will they lose the footing they just bounced off of first? And if they do, step 2, step 3, and if we get a gift down here, I'll be all in. All right, that's it. Hopefully this shed some light on crypto. How do I get started? Open a stinking account. Who with? I don't know. I chose crypto.com. I actually opened like 5 accounts. I only funded 2. One actually, crypto.com, and then I funded another one from my crypto.com account. But I haven't used it yet. So why crypto.com? No reason. The app is not that great. Service is okay. They try, but it's the most famous now, and it has accountability to the U.S. government. Nothing is guaranteed, of course, but they are reporting taxes and all of that. So I figured they're kind of as legit as it gets. And the cool thing is that you can get started with. I have no affiliation with them, by the way. There's no link in the description or anything. So you can start trading Bitcoin with literally as little as you want. You don't need to have a whole coin. You can buy, $10 worth of Bitcoin. I'm just saying that as a number. You can buy $100 worth of Solana, even though you can't buy a full coin. Well, now you can. So you don't need to stick with these penny Dogecoin type of a deal. I chose Solana for a reason. I detailed it before. I'll have a different video for that. CRO also for a reason, and Ethereum because it is the biggest pain in the neck out there, and you're stuck using it for any transactions that's over the Ethereum network. So crypto, whether real or not, it's definitely a real investment or trade.